I learned how to twist in 2013. That's about 7 years ago, and I have been twisting my hair myself ever since then. I don't go to the salon to make basic twists like this because I just feel like it's not worth it. Every time I want to do a twist out, I'll go to the salon. No, it's not worth it. So I have been twisting my hair ever since then. Any type of hair, straight, wavy, kinky, curly, I can twist any type of hair because I've been doing it for a long time, so I'm a pro at it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can twist your own hair by yourself at home without anybody's help. It's going to take some practice, but you will definitely get it, okay? So because I feel like if you're a lady and you're watching me right now and you have hair on your head, I feel like being able to twist your hair by yourself or being able to braid your hair by yourself is the barest minimum skill of hairdressing that you can have, because it's going to save you on days that you don't have access to the salon. For instance, we just finished one pandemic, we didn't have access to the salon. So just imagine you being able to twist your hair or you being able to braid your hair. It's definitely going to help you to put your hair together, at least look decent before you install another protective hairstyle. It's just a basic skill that you should have if you have hair on your head, okay? So I'm going to be taking you through all of that in today's video, and I'm sure you're going to get it with enough practice, okay? So without further ado, let's move right into today's video. Okay, so the first thing is to actually start on freshly washed hair. I mean, you don't want to start twisting your hair when it is dirty. It doesn't make sense, right? So you want to start with freshly washed hair. And I just actually finished washing my hair. I just got out of the shower. I co-washed my hair actually. I didn't shampoo it. So the next thing is to moisturize your hair. You want to moisturize your hair properly because you are going to be twisting it and you're going to be keeping it like that for a while. So whether you want to keep it like that for a while or maybe you want to do a twist out, you want to make sure that your hair is well moisturized. And I used my Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner for this purpose. So I went ahead to just pat my hair with my fingers because if I introduce the comb straight up like that, I might break my hair. So I'm just trying to do a rough part with my fingers. Then I'll just go in with the rat tail comb just to make the part neater. And this is not actually necessary. It is not very necessary for you to make the part neat. I was just trying to do some unnecessary things here, honestly speaking, because I'm not going to be going out with my twist like this. I'm not going to be going out like that. I'm just installing the twist just to have a twist out at the end of the day. Okay, so parting your hair, making it really neat is not very necessary. All right, so I'm just trying to make the part to be as neat as possible, which is actually not necessary, with my rat tail comb. If you don't have a rat tail comb, then you can use the cotton comb. The picture is going to be on the screen right now, so you can use this one as well. This one actually works really well as well. So after parting my hair into two equal halves, I'm just going to use my scrunchie to hold that part just to keep it away so that I can work with the other part easily. That's just the purpose of the scrunchie, and I feel like scrunchies make life easier. It is better than using rubber bands because rubber bands tend to tangle with your hair and it just causes your hair to break, which is not needed. You can avoid it. So just use scrunchies to put your hair in different sections so that you can work with one section at a time. If your hair is thick like mine, like if you have natural hair like mine, then you will know that natural hair can be a lot to work with. Especially when you are new to it, it can be a lot to work with. So it is best for you to put your hair in sections. That way it can be easier for you to work with your hair. It can be easier for you to twist your hair. Okay, so just as you are saying it, I parted my hair into different sections and then I went ahead to take smaller sections to twist, just as you are seeing it right now. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is to moisturize my hair further because I felt like the moisturizer that I used initially wasn't enough. It didn't go round, like it didn't go throughout all the strands of my hair. So I just added more moisturizer, more leave-in conditioner, and then I was just detangling my hair with my fingers. I am actually on a journey of not using combs on my hair till the end of the hair. So I'm just using my fingers to detangle my hair. I tried as much as possible not to use any comb to detangle my hair, and I was actually able to do it. Okay, so I just tried to detangle my hair starting from the tips and working my way to the roots, and then I seal the moisture with my hair oil. You can use any hair oil that you are already used to. Okay, so I'm just using my hand to work the oils and the moisturizer into my hair strands perfectly. Okay, so I went ahead and just put that section into smaller sections again, just as you are seeing it right now, and then I still further detangled my hair. Now this is the section we are going to be twisting, and what I'm doing right now is to part that particular section that I want to twist, part it into two equal halves, and just as you are seeing it right now, I'm going to be taking my thumb and my index finger of each hand, and then I'm just going to be using those fingers to grab the root of my hair, and then one particular hand will go anti-clockwise, the other one will go clockwise, and then I'm just going to be interchanging it. Basically, it's really easy. One will go clockwise, the other one will go anti-clockwise. Basically, you are twisting each strand before twisting both together. If that is so, if that is explanatory enough, okay? You are definitely going to get it. Just be patient and watch this video along with me. Okay, so just twist your hair, twist each section before twisting both of them together. I'm already going fast now. That's because I'm already used to this thing. I've been twisting my hair for about 7 years, so you just have to be patient, watch this video, and I'm very sure that you're going to get it. Okay, we are still going to do another section together. Just grab the two hairs that you want to twist together with your thumb and your index finger, and then you twist each strand before interchanging it together. One hand will go anti-clockwise, the other one will go clockwise, then anti-clockwise, then you interchange both of them together, just as you are seeing it right now. Clockwise, then anti-clockwise, interchange both of them together. The other one clockwise, anti-clockwise, then change them again. Clockwise, then anti-clockwise, then you just twist both of them together like that. It's really easy. You just have to be patient with your hair. It's going to take some practice, but you are definitely going to get it. Okay, so it is very necessary for you to make sure that you divide the hair that you want to twist, you divide it into two equal halves, because if you don't divide it into two equal halves, your twist will just end up not being cute, because we want cute and tight twist. Okay, so you just have to make sure that you divide the hair into two equal halves, and then you grab them at the roots with your thumb and your index finger. Okay, with your thumb and your index finger of each hand, just as I'm seeing it right now. All right, and then you twist each strand before you interchange them. One will go clockwise, then the other one will go anti-clockwise. I'm going to stop talking now so that you can focus on it, so that you can just go with the flow and learn without me talking, if that makes sense. So towards the end of the twist, you just want to just twirl the hand just to secure it. It's not necessary though, but my hair is kinky. I just like to do that because I just feel like it secures the twist. Maybe it's just psychological, I don't know. It's just what I do. Okay, so I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did not get it at first, all you have to do is go back, rewind it, and watch it as many times as possible until you are able to do your twist by yourself. And like I said, twisting your hair, being able to twist your hair is actually very important. I feel like it's a very important skill to have if you have hair on your head, because it's going to save you on days that you don't have access to the salon. You know, when you want to get a bum twist out and you've been seeing it all over the internet, you don't know how to do it. Just make sure that you get your twist right and your twist out will end up coming out well. Okay, so I just went ahead and oil my scalp because it is very necessary to oil my scalp on every wash day. Every time I install my twist, I oil my scalp because it is very necessary for me. I don't know about you, but it's very necessary for me. Okay, I hope you find this tutorial helpful, And if you do, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, so massaging my scalp is also very important on wash days. You know, it stimulates blood flow to my scalp. All right, so I'm just going to put my hair into a small bun, small ponytail, whatever we call it, and then that's just going to be it for my twist. And I'm just going to make a twist out with it after a few days. All right. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, or you learned something from this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.